Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to use Llama 4 online for free. If you want to make AI pictures and animations online for free, Llama 4 makes it easy and fun. You can type your ideas, see them as images, even turn them into short animations all without downloading anything or paying money. First, go to the Llama website, then click on Try Meta AI at the top right corner. Here, you'll see options like New Chat, Vibes, and Create. You can type anything you want in the prompt, for example, a boy with curly hair running in the mountains, and then send it. Next, select your year of birth and click Continue. Here, click on Login and choose how you want to continue with Facebook, Instagram, or your email address. Once you're logged in, click Continue. Now you'll see that Llama 4 generates 4 images based on your prompt. Click on any image to check it closely, view the others as well. Next, click Animate to turn the selected image into a short video. It will take a little time to process, so be patient. Once it's ready, you can play the animation and see your creation come to life. Finally, you can give feedback by marking the result as good or bad, which helps improve the AI. Using Llama 4 online lets you explore AI creativity freely, whether it's generating pictures, animating them, or experimenting with different prompts, all without downloads or paying anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.